Hi, this is Laura with At Your Service Mobile Notary and CoachMeLaura.com. And I thought you'd just like to be part of my journey as I get ready to be sworn in for my 5th commission. I am so excited. This is the 5th time I've done it, but I gotta tell you, every time it really excites me to know that I'm participating in my government and that I'm a public official and that once again, I'll be serving the public. So what's going to happen is I'm going to be going inside in a few minutes and I will be taking my oath of office. I will be signing on my bond and getting both of those things combined. So I'll be with you in a minute. Alright, so the first thing, just verifying my numbers, making sure I have all my paperwork laid out correctly, my identification.
Here is the phone.
Names too. Or voices to faces rather. Yeah. Oh, I need to write a check.
You
Laura J.B. Ward.
do solemnly swear or affirm that you will support and defend the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of California against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that you will bear truth, faith, and allegiance to the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of California, that you take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that you will well and faithfully discharge the duties which you are about to enter.
I so swear.
Can I have you sign right here, please? And one more, please. Perfect. And you're all set. There's your ID receipt from our side.
I'm official again. Okay, I have officially sworn in. I have accepted my office of notary, and officially on Tuesday, this new commission will take effect. I will still be using the old commission, which does not expire until Monday the 13th. So, very excited. Now I need to go back and I need to update all of my clients. So all those signing companies, title companies, all the people who rely on my information to know that I'm currently a valid notary, I need to go update them. So when you're working for signing companies and title companies and the like, make sure you remember to go out and update your files with them. If you're on signing agent registry, if you're on 123 Notary, any of those, to make sure everybody knows your newest information. Otherwise, you could end up not receiving jobs and you'll wonder why your phone stopped ringing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today and I look forward to the next time. Bye.